I will show you why alligators are the ultimate sun worshippers. Or everybody is looking for a way to soak up some sun, but have you considered an alligator's strategy? These scaly sunbathers aren't just working on their tan. Alligators are cold-blooded, meaning they rely on the sun's warmth to regulate their body temperature. You'll often catch them lounging with their mouths wide open. No, they're not trying to cool off. It's their way of releasing excess heat. Think of it as a built-in reptilian radiator. So next time you see an alligator basking in the sun, remember they're just chilling and grilling. And who can blame them? We all love a good sunbath, right? Stay curious, stay wild, and don't forget your sunscreen.